What's crack-a-lackin' like a booty smacking? Today I'm gonna show you guys how I put together a vlog for my wife's channel. Here we go.
We're at the arcade.
It's hot.
Yep.
Woo!
Alright, so the first thing that I do when I'm starting to edit a video is I'll go into the file explorer and then I'll find the files that I'm gonna be editing, and then I'll right click them and go to rename, and then I'll just name it with this one. It's a vlog, so I'm doing it an arcade vlog, so I'll just do A-C space V-L-O or O-G, and then I name them, or I number them too, so I know which scene it is or which clip is gonna go into the sequence. Alright, so after I name the videos, I bring them over to this file here. I've created a new file to put my videos in from my phone so I don't get them confused with the other videos that I record on my PC. And I have an extra hard drive too. Once you start making videos and stuff, you're gonna want to at least one more hard drive or a couple external hard drives. So what you want to do is make a new folder, and then you want to put all of your files in the one folder, and they're all going to be named just to make it hella easy. So then once you have all the files named, you want to just drag them and drop them in the Premiere, right here down to import media to start. Just grab all of them, drag them and drop them, boom. They'll see it say copy and they'll start copying. Alright, and I got two monitors going right now because that's just the way I like to edit. I got my main, normally there's a main screen up here, or actually I'll just, because it's not recording my dual screens right now. Once you open up Adobe Premiere, it's gonna be pretty much just like this. All your videos that you imported are gonna be down here, and then you can just double click them, boom, and they'll pop up so you can watch them.
We're at the arcade.
It's hot.
Yep.
Woo! And then that was gonna be my first clip, so I'll drag that over, and then you put it down here into the sequence. Now this is when you're gonna start having the sequence going. Oh, I guess my main screen over here is still, I never exited it out, so still popped up over there, but it's just gonna be my whole sequence playing, so you guys don't really need to see that. It's just gonna be the final edit there. So all I do is I just throwing in my files. And if your PC is slow, you might want to change this to half resolution. I usually run it at full resolution, but half resolution or even quarter will work. But yeah, since I got all my files named, it's gonna be easy. I just drag them and drop them, boom. Another thing is you can add in and out points on your clips if the clips are pretty long and there's some things in there that you don't want. But since this is a vlog, I'm just gonna add in every point of all the clips, so I won't be adding in and out points. But all you have to do is, like, say you want the clip to start here, you'll just press I on your keyboard, and then you see how it turns this color now. So this part of the video won't play when you add it into the sequence.
We're at the arcade.
It's hot.
Yep.
And then we'll say I want the out point right there, boom. Or actually, yeah, I can add the end point. I'll have the end point right here at the beginning.
We're at the arcade.
It's hot.
Yep.
So then only this part will play in my sequence. Alright, and so if you want to add a picture over your video, all you have to do is drag it and drop it to the space right above. So watch, my wife wanted me to add this into it, like right after she says it's hot. She wants to
Arcade.
put the screenshot.
It's hot.
Yep.
Yeah, so she wanted me to add a picture of a screenshot of the weather that day. Alright, the next thing you want to do is you want to watch it. So what I normally do is I just watch them at twice the speed just to save some time for the edit. You know what I'm saying? And you can do that by pressing L twice, and that brings it up twice the speed. Since there's like change of scenery a little bit, since he's going to a different ride, I'm gonna add a little transition into it. Add this one. Here's what the transition will look like.
Wait, get back in the ride.
Boom. Hella easy. Now I'll start adding in effects and stuff like that. Just like subscribe buttons and like buttons and stuff like that. Or transitions. Alright, now since we got all the clips down, now's the time to add the music in. For my wife's YouTube, we have a paid membership for Epidemic Sounds. It's a website where you can get royalty-free music. This is one of the songs that I got on there. It's called Fish Game by Dylan Stitz. So you just download it from the website after you pay, and then you just drag and drop that into the files too. And then you just drag that, put that on your sequence as well. I normally just add it in a couple times or find another track to add in. There's also other music you can get, like Dream Beats from Harris Heller. That's what I use on my channel. And then Adobe Stock. I got that. It's another paid membership. It's like $25 a month, but you can get royalty-free music on there. Alright, and then if you want to lower your audio volume, you just click on this and then go up here to audio. And then you click on this right here, music. And I usually do mine at -26. That seems like a pretty good volume. So I just do all my background music at -26. So we can play that through and see what it sounds like.
We're at the arcade.
It's hot.
Yep.
And then normally I think that sounds pretty good at -26. And then now what I'll start doing is adding effects to the beat. Alright, now since I'm pretty much done editing with it, I'm gonna add an end card in. I got this at Adobe Stock too. Just like it'll say you can change this up. Like I'm just gonna write subscribe. And then I'll change this to last video. Oh wait, I mean newest video. Cause that's what you can add a card like that on YouTube at the end of your video. Newest video. And then right here, best choice for viewer. Boom, that's about it really. If you want, you could change the color of this and everything. If you guys want to see a video on how to make or how I make a thumbnail for videos too, let me know in the comments below. This will go into my tips and tricks playlist too. If you guys want to learn some more tips and tricks, check out that playlist. Alright, so if you guys enjoyed that video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and some more videos will be coming at you soon. I'm kind of thinking about starting to do daily uploads, so it'll be short videos and, you know, stuff that I know or whatever. Holla at me down below to let me know if that sounds like a good idea. If you'll be watching. Peace.